Welcome, wine lovers. Today we're exploring the YouYah Iceberg wine decanter set with aerator filter and cleaning beads. This hand-blown, lead-free crystal decanter features a unique waterfall pouring design that speeds up aeration, allowing your wine to breathe fully in just 3 to 5 minutes. The built-in fine filter removes sediments while oxygenating your wine for a smoother taste. Its artistic base resembles majestic mountains, increasing the wine's contact with air for enhanced flavor. Made with food-grade stainless steel and silicone, the stopper is both elegant and easy to clean. This decanter combines style, efficiency, and craftsmanship, making it a masterpiece on any table. Elevate your wine experience with this stunning and functional decanter set. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.